Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locking the doors. Inventory every account, app, device, and cloud service you use so nothing is forgotten. Once listed, enable two-factor authentication across critical logins and prefer authenticator apps rather than SMS to reduce interception risk. Make sure each device has full disk encryption enabled and install pending operating system and application updates immediately. These patches close known vulnerabilities and form the baseline defense that allows deeper privacy work to proceed safely. Next, stop unnecessary data leaks by auditing app permissions. Revoke access to location, camera, and microphone unless essential. Once done, harden your browsing by blocking third-party cookies and turning on tracking protection. These reduce cross-site profiling. Make sure to route untrusted network traffic through a reputable VPN and use a privacy-focused DNS to avoid ISP-level logging. Finally, implement encrypted, versioned backups so you control copies of your data and can recover securely if needed. Finish by hardening access and preparing for incidents. Generate unique, complex passwords stored in a manager and rotate any high-risk credentials immediately. Once done, apply least privilege principles, remove unused accounts, and revoke excessive permissions so attackers gain less if a breach occurs. Make sure backups are tested and that you have an emergency access plan with recovery codes stored securely. If something goes wrong, first isolate the affected device, change compromised credentials, and restore from a verified backup to minimize damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.